shoulders, foot out the door, a finger broken request from above, swim just beneath my skin, clipped like a dove, kept guilty as a sin, take in the air, turn it into a joke, rest in despair, you look away and choke. Give me a sign, the weight on my shoulders, foot out the door, a finger broken backwards. Keep still or be found. Keep still, oh you will be found. Give me a sign. 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 Keep still. Keep still. Keep still. Give me a sign, the weight on my shoulders, foot out the door, a finger broken backwards. Keep still or be found. Keep still, oh you will be found. Keep still. Keep still or be found. Keep still, you will be found. Keep still. Keep still or be found. Well, if the wicked never rest, then neither do I. Yeah, I think that I'll be working till the day I die. Pledge allegiance to a flag, wrap my wounds up with $1. Disposition in a land that was never even ours. If Jesus comes back, no, we won't pick up a gun. He'll be home overseas, shouting men, all that we've done. Where we're spending our Benjamins is killing the masses. So I guess he had a point when he said, my king is mean and he's getting pretty green, shackled to a wage in the land of the free. My king is green and he's getting pretty mean. Wake me up. worship the bourgeois and kiss their rotten feet. They said they killed the monarch, but the thorns made up of limbs. Guillotines to clear our systems of this rich pestilence. If you wanna take my money, you can go ahead and try. But all I see in front of me is a big man in disguise. If you wanna take my money, you can go ahead and try. But all I see in front of me is a big man in disguise. My king is mean and he's getting pretty green, shackled to a wage in the land of the free. My king is green and he's getting pretty mean. Wake me up from living the American dream. Wake me up, wake me up.
Mama said you were a new age believer, and Daddy said you were a pardon receiver. The county jail was a little too cool that night, so you rode a suitcase down to New Orleans. Thought your life was as rough as it could be. You had a bar of soap and a head full of steam. Well, now you're 18 and you're living the dream, cooped up in a castle full of self-esteem. Oh no, it worried me. Look into the wanderer's eyes and tell me, what do you surmise? A life of adventure, a life that's free. Oh my, it worried me. So you hopped on a train to Pennsylvania, hoping on a shooting star to obtain a free ride to your new life, hoping you'd face no strife. But the sun don't shine on my time, so lay down low. Well, now you're 18 and you're living the dream, cooped up in a castle full of self-esteem. Oh no, it worried me. Look into your wandering eyes and tell me, were you surprised? Seeing your life of adventure set you free. Oh my, it worried me. No, 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 no. And take the only fast lane to a place like Toronto or Timbuktu. Only thing we're waiting on is you. So don't stop now and don't delay. Up inside a coffin, enjoy your stay. If not, we can help you get away. Well, now you're 18 and you're living the dream, cooped up in a castle full of self-esteem. Oh no,